Wikoaniri na uteti wa guthimana icoka gatagati ka atongoria kiama-ini kia ODM uronekana gwakiriria o gwakia riu amemba amwe kiama-ini giki magitariria wagagu uria menaguo njatukano icingiaga kung'ethanirwo nacio na kuhorerio mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027.
Our challenges are self-inflicted. We must come as a party and look inwardly and solve our issues internally and stop blaming other people. We are the ones inflicting harm upon ourselves.
We are here and we are now calling upon our party leader, who is Senator OBURU, within this new year to call party to order.
ODM is the largest party in the country. We are further concerned by the spectacle of self-cannibalization that has been exhibited of late in our party. It is testament to how much we miss the wisdom and iconic leadership of our departed leader, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, that divisive rhetoric has taken over our politics without restraint.
Ambunge MATONGORETIO ni MUMBUNGE wa RARIEDA OTIENDE AMOLO nimendekithitie mutongoria wa kiama giki OBURU ODINGA atwithanie NDUGAMANO gatagati ka mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Edwin Sifuna na mutongoria wa aria anini bunge-ini Junet Mohamed iguru wa uria mbeca cia kambeni ciahuthikire githurano-ini kinene kia mwaka wa 2022.
Given the positions of trust bestowed on them, we urge the party officials, including Secretary General Senator Edwin Sifuna and the National Assembly Minority Leader Honorable Junet Mohamed, to desist from public verbal slurs and return to the table for internal discussions. Those are the things we are asking the party leader to rein in and call a meeting so that we can discuss. So that we can discuss it not so much about history, because that milk was spilled already, but so much in terms of party cohesion moving forward as we go towards 2027.
Undu ugi ambunge ya MUTONGORIA OBURU ni athagathage mucemanio niguo gutwithania riboti ciigie igeria ria gutharikirwo kwa mumbunge wa Embakasi East Babu Owino na MCA wa Kileleshwa Robert Alai na Mushiga.
We have learned of an allegation of the Alai Babu incident. Neither Alai nor Babu have spoken to any of us, and certainly not in the context of the party. As far as I know, the police are investigating it, and that appears to us to be a police matter.
Merine ya omogete Thigithigi ni iracambicura ugi uria kiama kia ODM werahire kwa ihinda na kuhekanya amemba amwe a ODM kwigiritania na ciama ingi njeru magicakaya NDUGAMANO ici ciroka ona mieri iri itainekirire kuma gikuo kia uria wari mutongoria wa kiama giki Raila Odinga.
Even as we appear to self-cannibalize, we can't help but curiously observe that small parties are aggressively and strategically moving to occupy the spaces previously held by our beloved ODM party. It is for this reason that we request our party leader, Senator Dr. OBURU ODINGA, to move with speed, convene the party's organs and help restore public confidence in the party.
We are concerned about the curious emergence, concurrent and strategic emergence of small parties and entities in our hitherto strongholds. And in politics, there are no accidents or coincidences. So we are calling our party to be alert.
Mayambara handika riri gukoretwo na mihuhu ya amwe a amemba kiama-ini giki gukorwo magithugunda kwendia kiama kia ODM rurucio rwa kiama giki mbere ya githurano kinene ugithie na mbere gwikirirwo cuke. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mumbi wa Shege.